Inflation keeps driving the cost of everyday items up. Job security is at an all-time low, and debt makes our households more susceptible to financial emergencies. It's more important than ever that we get out of debt. One of the most reliable strategies is the Snowball Method. We're going to walk through a year of the Snowball Method of debt payoff so you can see how to implement it and how it can speed up paying off your debt. Consider the family that has almost $17,000 in debt across 4 credit cards. The total amount of their minimum required payment is $750. Remember that the credit card's mandatory minimum usually only includes principal payment of about 2% of the total balance. That means that just paying the minimum can mean taking 13 to 17 years to pay off. So this family has committed to adding an additional $200 to the minimum payment. The Snowball Method says that you should always put your extra money into the debt with the lowest balance. So that $200 goes to credit card 2. They paid a total of $242 on that card in the first month. In the second month, all of their balances went down, so their minimum due payment went down as well. But this family is committed to continuing to commit $950 to their debts. So this month, they know they have $221 they can put down towards credit card 2. In month 3, balances all go down because you are slowly making progress, and so the minimum due payments for each of the cards goes down as well. The family is really starting to make progress in credit card 2. Remember that the balance started out at $1,166. Our extra payment continues to go up, and just like before, we put it towards the lowest balance. We'll roll through month 4 because it's the same process. Balance is going down, minimum due payment is going down, and the extra payment is going up. Month 5 is where things change a bit. You can see that our extra payment exceeds the balance left on credit card 2. So we put $205 to pay off credit card 2, and the rest goes to the next smallest balance, in this case, credit card 3. Month 6 brings cause for celebration. The family has paid off their first credit card. The power of the Snowball Method of debt payoff is that you see progress more quickly, and we shall see that progress accelerates as you go. This month, their extra payment jumps from $262 to $312. Let's scroll through the next few months, but pay particular attention to the credit card 3's balance. It is dropping very quickly. We'll pause it here at month 12. The family's extra payment is $438, and the remaining balance on credit card 3 is only $110. So once again, we pay off the balance, and the rest of the extra payment goes towards the next smallest balance. In this case, it's credit card 4. It took this family 6 months to pay off the first balance of $1,166. At that point, the next smallest balance was $2,558, which they then paid off in the next 6 months. You can see how the debt payoff is accelerating. That acceleration is all due to the fact that your extra payment is growing. This shows the growth of the extra payment over time. In the 13th month, the family's extra payment is nearly $500, but they are not putting any more money towards their debts than they were in month 1. It's still $950. The extra payment is entirely going to pay down principal. None of it pays for interest. So when it grows, the balances drop quickly. And you can see those balances drop in this graph. Each credit card is represented by a different color. When you focus all your attention on one balance, those balances drop fast. Let me show you a way you can do this analysis on your own debts, and it only takes a few minutes. Go to the Yukon project. We have built a debt payoff calculator. Enter your debt balances, monthly minimum payments, and interest rates. When you hit calculate, the system will show you the different strategies of debt payoff and how they play out. For this family, using the Snowball Method of debt payoff means that they could have all of the balances paid off in 2 years. It also tells them how much interest they would pay over that time. You can compare that to the different strategies so you can find the right approach for you. Check it out. We hope it can help you become debt-free. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us out, and we really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.